Hey everyone, today we're investigating the Part-Time Go app, another money-making app that promises easy earnings by completing simple tasks. You've probably seen ads or messages about it claiming you can earn money quickly. But is Part-Time Go legitimate or is it just another waste of your time? So Part-Time Go is available on the Google Play Store and describes itself as a part-time job platform that gathers easy tasks for users to complete. They claim you can earn money or energy by doing simple activities. Sounds straightforward, but let's dig deeper. First, let's talk about the task-based earning model itself. The FTC has recently issued warnings about task scams that work exactly like this. These scams ask you to do simple, repetitive tasks like liking videos or rating images, promising you'll earn commissions. The pattern is always the same. They show you small earnings at first to hook you in. Here's how these scams typically work. You complete tasks and see your balance grow in the app. Everything looks great. But when you but when you try to withdraw, that's when the problems start. Common issues include impossibly high withdrawal thresholds that take months to reach, sudden verification fees required before you can cash out, requests for deposits to unlock your earnings, the app crashes or your account gets suspended right before withdrawal, and finally payments that never actually arrive. Even if Part Time Go does pay small amounts occasionally, here's what's really happening. They're making money from you. Every task you complete, every ad you watch, every video you like, they're getting paid for your engagement. Meanwhile, you're doing free labor for pennies if you get paid at all. Your personal data is also valuable. These apps often request excessive permissions on your phone, collecting information they can sell to third parties. That's worth far more than the few cents they might pay you. Watch out for apps that contact you through WhatsApp, Telegram, or unexpected text messages offering quick money. This is a major red flag according to consumer protection agencies. Legitimate employers don't recruit you through random messaging apps. Also, if any app asks you to pay money or to earn money, run. That's a classic pay to get paid scam that's raking in millions from victims right now. No legitimate job requires you to deposit your own money first. The hard truth, even in the best case scenario where Part-Time Go does pay out small amounts, you're looking at earning maybe a few dollars after dozens of hours of work. That's far below minimum wage in any country. Your time is worth more than that. The opportunity cost is real. You could spend those same hours learning actual skills, doing legitimate freelance work, or even just working a part time job that pays fairly. The final verdict? Part-Time Go follows the exact pattern of task-based earning scams that consumer protection agencies are warning people about. Whether it technically pays out or not, it's designed to exploit your time and data while giving you minimal or zero returns. Don't waste your time. If you want to earn money online, look for legitimate platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or actual remote job boards. Build real skills that command real pay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.